Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing the question of whether or not Bard can help with coding. For those of you who don't know, Bard is a large language model from Google AI. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, and it can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. So, can Bard help with coding? The answer is yes. Bard can help with coding in a number of ways. First, Bard can generate code. This means that you can give Bard a description of what you want the code to do, and Bard will generate the code for you. This can be a great way to save time and effort, especially if you are not very familiar with coding. Second, Bard can debug code. This means that you can give Bard a piece of code that is not working, and Bard will try to figure out what is wrong with it. This can be a great way to fix problems in your code. Third, Bard can explain code. This means that you can give Bard a piece of code, and Bard will explain what the code does. This can be a great way to learn how to code, or to understand code that you have written yourself. Finally, Bard can write functions for Google Sheets. This means that you can give Bard a description of what you want the function to do, and Bard will write the function for you. This can be a great way to automate tasks in Google Sheets. So, as you can see, Bard can be a very helpful tool for coding. However, it is important to be aware of some of the limitations of Bard's coding abilities. First, Bard is still under development, and it is not always able to generate correct or efficient code. Second, Bard is not able to understand the context of code, so it may not be able to debug code that is not well written. Overall, Bard can be a helpful tool for coding, but it is important to be aware of its limitations. If you are a beginner programmer, Bard can be a great way to learn the basics of coding. If you are an experienced programmer, Bard can be a helpful tool for debugging and generating code. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.